Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. All right, just go ahead and go to your admin, Shopify admin. And once you're in here, some folks might be able to see navigation right here. If not, just go ahead and go to content. Now go ahead over to menus. And in here, we're going to want to create or edit the menus that is in our website. All right, for example, right here, I have the main menu. As you can see, listed there would be home, catalog, and contact. I'll show you what it looks like. Right here, home, catalog, and contact. What we're going to do to make a drop down is basically make another menu. For example, add a menu item. Label would be for contacts. All right, would make a drop down for contacts. For example, email. And you're going to want to look for the link right here where you wanted to link the particular button. For example, when you click on email, you should be landed to the email page. All right, but I don't have that in here. Let's see. Just for this example, I'm going to hit on contacts. All right, now I'm going to hit on save. As you can see, it has been added. What we're going to do to make it drop down is we're going to want to tap and hold or click and hold on this icon. Swipe up to contacts, then swipe right a little, then release. As you can see, it has created a nest. So this is basically the drop down for contacts. All right, and maybe we should add in some more right here. Add a menu item. It would be YouTube. All right, I'm gonna hit on URL right here. It would redirect to policies maybe. Go ahead and check. Now when we save this and look at the store, as you can see, besides contact, we have YouTube, which is right here. And when we click on the drop down, we will be able to see number and email, which is right here under contacts, number and email. All right. Now, if you wanted to add more nesting under these list, all right. For example, we're going to want to add some item right here. For example, from your catalog, all right, maybe item 1, catalog or products, all products, add a menu, item 2, products, all products, hit on save. All right, then move item 1 to number 1, drag, then slide to the right, release. All right, another one right here, move to email, drag to the right, release. All right, as you can see, it has been nested well. So what we're going to do is just hit on save. Now we're going to want to check on it right here. Then when we hover our mouse to contacts, click on it. As you can see, under number, there will be another nest, which is item number 1 and email number 2 or item number 2. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.